Yeah, it is. I think.
Really?
So are you recording?
Yeah.
Side or front?
Front.
We're going front.
Okay.
Someone's gonna go.
Why don't you take side door? I'll cover your front.
Okay, I'll go side.
That's not a bad idea.
You will.
Or do you want to take? You did not get me. I just shot you from over here. Okay. Go ahead. Sorry about that, bud. Fuck. Bang! Double? Alright. Yo, we gotta get suicide. Come on, I'm by myself. Right in there. What the fuck? Shoot him. Go.
Hey, ready?
Yeah. Want me to throw a banger in there? Bang. I'm good. Cody! Got it. Bang.
Roll it up.
Bang. We're clear! Watch the hallway, I gotta go get my beat. Change it, quick. Cody, just get low and just hold him, keep shooting him. I'll be right back, gotta go get my beat. Oh shit. Where'd that come from? Where's that grenade? Where's the grenade?
Right over there.
Where? Where's the grenade, guys? Oh, it's over there? Alright, never mind. Hurry back.
No.
He's suicide.
Okay. Yo, you can't talk when you're dead! God.
Is he dead?
No, yeah, but he told his friends where I was.
Why do you want to
They're in the barracks.
Would you need a grenade?
No, I'm good. You know what? Do you have one?
No. Wait, why did you want the one out there?
What?
The one out there?
Yeah, but don't worry about it. If we can't get it now, then we'll get after it again. Got you, got you, got you. Dude, there's guys in there. You wanna go? Run up. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. We're clear. Watch out right side. We're clear? Yo, watch that right side, Cody, all right? Yo, let's go! Yo, kid, go in that corner. There we go. Got you, got you. Good? All right. You can't go up any further, kid. Just, Jason, come here, come here. Jason, come here. Watch right here, okay? Get down, get down, get down, get down. Okay? Cody, come here. You know what?
What?
Let's just try and stick suicide.
Where?
Watch over here. I gotta fix my knee pad. Oh, dude, it ripped. Fuck. Cody, watch my head, alright? What? Watch my head. I'm gonna watch over here. Stay behind that wall. Guys, let me know if you're gonna move in front of me, okay? Yo. Alright, guys, hold here, okay? Man! Cody, let's go! What? We can't. They'll shoot us from the right side. Come this way. Go ahead. Yo! I'm right behind you. I'm on the other side of the wall. What's up? All right.
Who stands up?
What's up, buddy? Cody's behind the wall. Right side, right side, right side. Yo. All right.
Jason, see Don? Hey, you good?
Yeah, there's one guy behind the wall.
Yeah.
He's on the left corner. There's a kid right there, okay? Right behind that wall. Cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me.
Where are they?
There's one behind that wall, guys.
Double.
Bang, 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 bang. Okay. Hurry back, hurry back. Hurry back. Watch this way. You know what, Jason, here. Go around and watch the right side, okay? Yo! How's about, watch this side. Yo, go on the other side of there and watch the side of the barracks because they're coming through this way. All right? You know, better yet, I'll do that. Here, switch.